Well, Bengal gets up for Durga Puja celebrations. Pandals are the heart of the festivities there, and organizers look to find unique ways yet powerful ideas for pandals this year. India Today's Suragni Roy brings us this right there from Kolkata. Let's take a look.
This is the Borisha Club Durga Puja Pandal in South Kolkata. Unlike other pandals dotting the city, this one is sending a strong political message. Here, Ma Durga idol is shown as a mother with her children being taken to a detention camp after failing to make it to the NRC.
We tried asking the organizers what exactly this truck is doing between Bangladesh and Indian territory. The answers were simple, that due to NRC, a lot of such families have been stuck. They do not know whether they are on the Indian side, whether they are Indian citizens or whether they are Bangladeshi nationals. And this is the club's depiction. This is the artist's depiction of Durga, or maybe a family that is stuck.
In 2020, the pandal had made an equally strong statement. It showed Durga in the form of a migrant worker to highlight the misery of thousands who were forced to walk home after losing their jobs during the lockdown.
लाखों लोग साइकिल या रिक्शा या ट्रक से अपना सामान लेकर देश छोड़कर भाग रहे हैं। जो हो रहा है उसको हम दिखा रहा है और हम लोग तो कुछ सोचते हैं ये जो हो रहा है सही नहीं हो रहा है।
There is strong messaging in other areas too. Organizers have laid down very strict COVID protocols for devotees who want to enter the pandal.
डुअल वैक्सीनेशन लगेगा तो अब हम लोग यहाँ से पुष्पांजलि देने का जो टोकन होता है टोकन इशू करेगा। हम लोग एक साथ एक टाइम में एक स्लॉट में 25 आदमी को पुष्पांजलि देने का टाइम देगा।
Over here in Kolkata's Borisha, we can see this wonderful impersonation of Durga being stuck between India and Bangladesh, and the organizers claim this is because of the NRC.
With Suryagini Roy in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.
And that's a wrap for me, Nabila Jamal. I'm going to take you through a special report on the other side. Stay tuned.